after digestion. We get our nutrition and energy and end up with some waste products. The process of removal of unwanted and toxic substances from our body is called excretion. Kidneys are specialized excretory organs that help us in the removal of urea. Kidneys are part of the renal excretory system of our body. At the end of this module, you will be able to describe the human urinary system, also called as the renal excretory system. Let's understand the location of the renal system in our body. The kidneys are a pair of reddish-brown, bean-shaped organs about the size of a tightly clenched fist. They are located on either side of the backbone near the lower back. Kidneys are protected by the rib cage. The renal excretory system consists of a pair of kidneys that filter blood and produce urine, a pair of ureters that carry urine to urinary bladder, a urinary bladder for storing urine, and a urethra, a tube from the urinary bladder which passes urine out of our body. Renal arteries bring in oxygenated but impure blood into the kidneys for filtration. The renal veins take back the deoxygenated but pure filtered blood from the kidneys. Let us take a slice off to see the interior of a kidney. Kidneys have two parts: the outer cortex and the inner medulla. Nephrons are the structural and functional units of kidney. Nephron starts from a cup-like structure, the Bowman's capsule. The Bowman's capsule receives blood from a network of capillaries called the glomerulus. The Bowman's capsule and glomerulus are collectively called the Malpighian body. Capillaries that originate from glomerulus surround the coiled renal tubule of the nephron. Now, let's watch how impure blood gets filtered in the nephron. Unfiltered blood containing nitrogenous wastes enter the glomerulus. Water and nitrogenous wastes such as urea present in the blood diffuse into the renal tubules. Filtration thus occurs in the glomerulus. The excess water and waste matter then pass through the renal tubules where they get processed into urine. From the tubules, urine goes to renal pelvis and is then discharged into the urinary bladder through the ureters. Filtered blood now flows into the renal vein and gets back into the body. When the volume of the urine reaches anywhere from 150 to 400 milliliters, the bladder begins to stretch with a sensation of needing to urinate. Urination is the process of releasing urine from the urinary bladder through the urethra and out of the body. Special muscles, the sphincter muscles. There are certain special muscles that help keep urine from leaking by closing tightly like a rubber band around the opening of the bladder. Normal urine is sterile. Urine contains fluids, salts, and waste products, but it is free of bacteria, viruses, and fungi.